Yeah, good morning. Here's Thomas from Thor's World. And better to say it's not really morning anymore, it's already lunchtime. I'm going now to have lunch in my mother's house, and we will have a meeting and we try to make the sun sail here in front of Thor Turbo. I use a really cheap solution, and it's a kind of beach towel, so water protection beach towel. And yeah, so let's see how it. I have an idea how to make it. So yeah, and then later I would like to go to the mechanic, to the iron worker, and make a stabilization between the two wheels because they are not really stable. The aluminium is a bit too weak. Yeah, and this is, let's say, the plan for today. Yeah, now I'm happy to have lunch at Mama's house. Yeah, here you can see this peach towel, and yeah, my mother is making now the preparation for it. She's in action. Yeah, and let's see how it works, and I will show you then later the result.
2,000 years later.
I'm really proud of the result. Do you see? Here is the sun sail. It's well organized in outside from Thor Turbo. So it's fixed here with the. Boah, I don't know this word in English. This soft sticky, yeah, something. I don't know, but yeah, you open it and. They are just a bit too long at the moment because I didn't want to cut them, and then maybe they are too short. But it's not really, it's okay like this. And then you roll it down. Yeah, and then is coming the invention of the year of the century. You open the door from the turbo, so, and then you have here an aluminium pipe, really light. You stick it in the door, into the door, and voila, you have a sun sail, an integrated sun sail in your bicycle caravan. And the ambient is really nice. You see, you can sit here with this camping chair. This chair is a wonderful chair. It's lightweight and it's really comfy to sit. It's in the description. So if you want to order it at Amazon, it's also quite cheap. Yeah, and here I just put down my foldable table. Can sit in front, protected of sun, cook, or even protected from rain. I have to test it. It's waterproof, this material, because it's kind of beach towel, what you can use to protect your towel from moisture. So yeah, and then I can also put on the light, sit here. Perfect. I really like it. So what do you think about the solution with this sun sail, integrated sun sail in the bicycle caravan, or with Thor Turbo? So please let me know, and just write me in the comments if you have some questions. And yeah, it would be nice. If you like what I do, join my channel, and there will be other videos soon. Thank you.